Hello guys, welcome to Lucky Tech Pro, and today I'm going to show you on how to create a simple calculator using VB.NET, and I'm going to use Visual Studio 2019, but I think all version, not even I think, but all version can work. If at all you are using Visual Studio 28, 2010, 2012, 2015, 2017, and 2019 all work the same. So without wasting time, go create new project, and here it says I have to search which kind of application am I going to use, but I'm using Windows application VB.NET. That's now VB Visual Basic Windows application. So we have to select. If at all this is a Windows 7, no sorry, Visual Studio 2019 is a bit different from the rest because you must search here. So I'm using Visual Basic Windows Form. So just see next. So let me give it the name. That's now let me say VB calculator, the name of our project calculator, and I need to save where I have a, a, a folder in my desktop called VB projects. VB projects. Now let me just create another one. VB calc. You can see VB projects. Then select folder. So say create. This is now our project, and this is our very first form, and we are going to start creating that simple calculator. And that calculator is only, it's not a scientific, but it's very simple, that can only add, divide, multiply, and as well subtract. So let's go ahead, go to tools. I need a button, so here for you to take this button here, you can, there's two ways to take tools to the form. You can either drag, that's one method, or you can come here and then double click, just the same. So I just need one, and I need a text box, I need a label, fine. Those are the only thing I need. Now let me speed up. I think you know this. I should not waste time on this. It's for two numbers and then another two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Fine. Now let me add the font size. To add the font size, you come here, font, and then click this three buttons. Then I need to change the font name. Need to be bold. Need to be at least 14. Then see OK. See the way it is, at least now it appears big. Fine. Let me try to put it well. Now I think it is that way. You have to change this label. This should be num1. It will be a calculator that can only add two numbers, divide two numbers, multiply two numbers, and subtract two numbers. Simple calculator like that. This should be num2. Num2. Then you know how to name the labels. This should be add. This should be subtract. This one I make it multiply. Multiply. This one should be divide, and this one should be the answer. Not really. This will be I think this one I don't have this one. This one should not be here. So it should be just that way. And this one I need now to name the property name of these text boxes. That this one will enhance me to code quickly. So this property name is text box 7. So you see now when I'm coding, I don't know which is text box 1, text box 2, and 3, but I should now know when I say text box, and I can rename this property name txt num1. This one should be txt num2. Sometimes it reduces, but I should just take txt num2. This one should be txt add. Txt add. Txt add. Txt sub. Let's subtract. Let's reduce txt sub use text sub. Txt mult. Now I'm changing the property names to enhance me do my job quickly. You can say text mode instead. And then this one txt divide. Text divide. Then this one, this button property name, I can say txt compute. Now to compute the results. Now let's go to the backend. Now we need to code. Now you double click this button, but let me change this button name. Say compute the results, then double click this one. Now let's start. Now starting from this one, now from add, subtraction, multiply, and division. So here I should say txt add dot text is equals, you put equals to value is abbreviated as val, so val, put it bracket and then say txt num1 dot text come here, say plus value, you say bracket, put that value again, sorry, not value, txt num2 dot text. That way, that we are done with addition. Let's go to the next. That's now txt subtraction. Was it text sub? Yes, text sub dot text is equals to value, then for a bracket txt num1 dot text, put negative sign here and then you put it value, then you put txt num2 dot text and then we're done with that one, and then we go to the next, which is now multiplication. So you just say text mult dot text is equals to value, put bracket txt num1 dot text, that is now you put it asterisk side, sorry, multiply sign, that's now we put asterisk value bracket txt num1 dot text, not sorry but num2 dot text. Let's go to the next division now. I think the last txt div, I think that property name wasn't that, text div. Let's check the property name of division. I think it was text div. Text div, this one dot text is equals to value bracket txt num1 dot text and then division sign, that one, that's forward slash value bracket txt num2 dot text. So that's all about coding. You can just put this way and we are done. This is how it goes, and then come here, save all, and then we are now ready to run our project this way. Let me try to change the back color a little bit to make it a little bit eye catchy. You can use, let me try to use another color. Yes, let me just use that way. Let me change this compute button, put a custom, put this color, and then we can change this one from one here, and then we say simple calculator, and then it's not be from one here. You see simple calculator. Then yeah, I think it is looks good now. Now let's run our project, check whether it runs well. So here we say start. So this is now application now ready to be tested. Now we are testing. We are not going to test two numbers. We put two numbers, that's number one and number two, and we check whether in addition it will add the two numbers, it will subtract the two numbers, it will multiply or divide. So let's go ahead. Let me put 2, 5, and 2, for example. So and then I say compute. So as you can see, our project is running well, because when I say 2, when I add 5 and 2, it becomes 7. When I subtract 5 and 2, it becomes 3. Multiply 5 and 2, 10, and divide 5 and 2, it becomes 2.5, which is working well. So for example, when I try to change and then I put 50 and 2, for example, say compute, you see it's still working well. And you can therefore say that we're successful creating a very simple calculator. And maybe in future I'll upload another one, maybe now uh, a very advanced calculator, not this one of adding only two numbers, but for those beginners who are trying to learn VB.NET or Visual Basic Application, this is a good kickstart for you, and you are good to go. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and if at all you have any problem while trying to create this kind of application, kindly drop me a message and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.